Hello. Sometimes occasion happens that you want to create your purchase order, but you can't put it through yet. So maybe right before it's time to change funds, or you're getting ready to go on vacation and you don't want to send it through beforehand, but you want to get as much done as you can. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You're going to do create a purchase order. I just put in my daughter's name and the school address so that we're not revealing anybody's information. Your due date, just put in 2 weeks from when you're creating it, but you might have to go back and change that depending on how long you wait. So right now I'm just going to do the February date. Then you come down here and you will do your external items, and I don't know. I'll just pick Erica because I know her and she'll be okay if her name shows up. So item name, we'll just put, I want candy bars. I know. We can't really have candy bars, but that sounds good to me. So I'm going to put in 3 candy bars, and I'm going to say that they're really expensive candy bars, $25. Cost filled, free shipping, so I'm not going to worry about that. So then we'll go to next. We'll do our packing slip as we wait for it. Then you come down here, you'll continue with add your external database items. Let's see. Multi-subject consumable because I'm eating it. And then you can put in your company name, and I'm just going to put Quill because they have everything under the sun. I'm going to choose my supplier, put all that in, and then I'm going to save it as a draft. And it's that simple. You have everything sitting there ready to go. When you want to go back and fix it, you just come in here, click on the draft. It'll open up after 30 seconds of spinning in circles. And then if the date has changed, if it's been a long time, you can go in and change the dates. If it hasn't, then you don't need to. For whatever, different reasons why you're saving the draft. And I'll try not to talk too much while we're watching the spinning circle, waiting for it to load. It's taking longer to load than it took me to create the purchase order. So then you'll come down here and you'll just go back through. You're done editing, you're doing next, and then everything is already in there for you. You can just create the purchase order. I'm not going to because I don't think Jeannie would want to see that. But anyway, I hope that is helpful, and have a good day.